की वाणी सिंह सी लागे रे।
जय जय भीम बाबा जय जय भीम।
मुख्तेसर भी साजे रे की वाणी सिंह सी लागे रे। गाँव गाँव और गली गली में जिसका डंका बाजे रे।
जय जय भीम बाबा जय जय भीम। जय जय भीम बाबा जय जय भीम।
दलितों के उत्थान को लेकर रहा जो सबसे आगे, लड़ा के लिए दुनिया से वो सुख दुख अपना त्यागे। आंखों में समता की ज्वाला, आंखों में समता की ज्वाला, होठों पे ताली।
जय जय भीम बाबा जय जय भीम। जय जय भीम बाबा जय जय भीम।
चैत की 14 सन 1891 एक मसीहा जन्मा था एमपी के मोहगांव में।
चैत की 14 सन 1891 एक मसीहा जन्मा था एमपी के मोहगांव में।
संयमों की कोख की जिससे ऐसा लाल भी जागे, जाति पात की जड़ को जिसने रखड़ा ना मिला के। तुझसे पिता हो जिस वाले को होना कभी यतीम।
जय जय भीम बाबा जय जय भीम। जय जय भीम बाबा जय जय भीम।
जय भीम साथियों और जोहार नमस्कार। आज 123rd बर्थ एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन है अंबेडकर साहब के। इंडिया हैज प्रोड्यूस्ड सच अ ग्रेट लीडर, a leader who has written the Constitution of India. But today we are, along with the celebration, we are also reaffirming the faith of Baba Saheb Ambedkar in the Constitution of India.
महिलाओं पे इतना सारा वायलेंस हो रहा है, इसकी मांग करते हैं कि सरकार इसको कम करे। और हमारा ये मांग है जितने भी हमारे केसेस हैं उनमें सरकार सुनवाई करे और हमारी दलित महिलाओं की आत्म सम्मान की जो लड़ाई हम लोग लड़ रहे हैं उसमें हमें सरकार अपना सहयोग दे ताकि हमारी दलित महिलाएं भी आत्म सम्मान के साथ जी सके। जय भीम।
Very, very critical this year in view of the elections which are being very, very nastily fought. And on the one hand, the primacy of the constitution, the protection of the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and the promotion of the rights which have been so well guarded.
But also we want to celebrate his life and the great teachings and one of the greatest economists and philosophers that ever lived in this country. So we are happy that we are part of that community and we are happy that we have such a great leader to lead us. But we will be more happy once we are able to fulfill his dream of an equal India. Thank you, Jai Bhim.
Time has come for all of us to stand in solidarity with the struggling masses of this country to reclaim not only our lost humanity and humanhood, but also to tell the world that we are going to have our rights as enshrined in the Constitution of India, and we must fight not only for our life and security, but also for equitable distribution of economic resources so that there is equality, not only in a legal term, but also in practice.
The assertion of the Dalits as again being eroded, and so therefore a call to all the Ambedkarites and all those who are upholding the constitution to relook and then see, one, on the financial inclusion, two, on the fundamental rights including annihilation of caste. I mean, not only just elimination, but I think we need to once again do the annihilation of caste. So Jai Bhim to all.
We have just two demands. One is that effective implementation of the Prevention of Atrocities Act, and there has been an ordinance that has been passed for the Prevention of Atrocities Act, and we hope that it will be passed through in the next session. And our second demand is for the economic liberation of the Dalits and Adivasis, and we demand that the special component plan or the scheduled caste sub-plan and the tribal sub-plan, very important instruments for the effective implementation of this so that it can bridge the socio-economic gap that exists in the country today. But along with that, we also demand that to legislate the scheduled caste sub-plan and tribal sub-plan so that these instruments as originally planned would help in bringing the Dalit and Adivasi communities to the level of other communities. And we hope that the dream of Baba Saheb, that we will live in an equal and secular society, will be fulfilled sometime in the near future.